Hello everyone, so today I'll be doing a review video on the Nanami model 220 fast wireless charger, which you see right here. So this thing comes with a USB-C cable, which I plugged into the back, but it doesn't come with a USB wall outlet adapter. So to use it, it's very simple. You just plug in the USB-C cable in the back and plug the USB part into the USB wall charger, like I did here, just like that. So in order for you to charge it, it's just quite simple. You just take your smartphone. Mine is basically a Samsung Galaxy S8, which you see right here. You just put it right here on there, and as you can see how it's charging basically. So when it's charging, this LED turns green, and when you take it out of it, just like that, it turns blue again. So that's all you have to do. And so what I'm going to be doing now is I'm going to see how long it takes to charge my phone. So okay, now as for the numbers for the battery, my battery is a Samsung S8 battery, which has a capacity of 3,000 milliamp hours or 3 watt hours. So the charging capacity is 9 volts at 1.3 amp hours. So that's 11.7 watts. Should be able to charge 11.7 watts per hour. And the claims for the charger for the Nanami model M220 charger is at 9 volts. It's 2 amperes. So the way we calculate wattage or power is equal to voltage times the electrical current, which here is the electrical current is 2 amps, and the voltage is 9 volts, so it's 18.0 watts, and that's 80% efficiency, or 14.4 watts, which this thing claims as about 15 watts. Okay, we'll just round it off, but they should have said 14, but if they say 15, that's fine, it doesn't matter. We're at 12 volts at 1.5 amperes. That's also 18.0 watts. That's 80% efficiency. So 18.0 times 0.80 is equal to 14.4 watts. Okay, that's a claim per hour. But what do we really get? So the battery started at 35%, and the 35% of 3,000 milliamps is 1,050 milliamp hours, and that's starting at 0. And of course, the charging rate is 0, and from 35% to 63%, the capacity of the battery went from 1,050 milliamp hours to 1,886 milliamp hours in 44 minutes. The charging rate was about 19 milliamp per minute, or 0.019 amp per minute. That's in 1 minute. Okay, and from 63% to 73%, the capacity went from here 1886 milliamp to 21.90 milliamp hours, and that's 62 minutes, and I got 18.3 milliamp per minute. That's a charging rate, or 0.0183 amp per minute. And in 69 minutes, I got 77% batteries charged. So that's 2,310 milliamp per hour from 21.90 milliamp per hour in about 7 minutes, and the charging rate is 18.3 milliamp per minute, or 0.0183 amp per minute. And from 69 minutes to 92 minutes, charging went up from, battery capacity went from 77% to 91%. So the battery capacity went from 2310 milliamp hours to 2730 milliamp hours, and the charging rate was 18.26 milliamp per minute, or 0.0183 amp per minute. And in about 8 minutes, or 92 minutes to 101 minutes, the battery capacity was at 96%. So the capacity of the battery was at 2880 milliamp per hour. That's in 101 minutes. So that's 18. I got a charging rate of 18.11 milliamp per minute, or 0.0181 amp per minute. Okay, so maybe about 18.2 milliamp per minute. That's what I'm getting, the average. So I just average the 3, 19, 18.3, 18.11 divided by 3. Okay, 18.47. Let's just say 18.2 instead. So my battery is rated has a capacity of 3 watt hours, or 3000 milliamp hours. And if I wanted to charge this battery from 0% to 100%, it would take, at 18.2 milliamp per minute, it would take me 164 minutes, or 2.73 hours, or 2 hours, 43 minutes, and 48 seconds to charge a 3000 milliamp hour battery, which is in my Samsung Galaxy S8. So this is not bad. This is okay for wireless charging, you know. It beats putting in the USB cable into the back of my smartphone every time to charge it. That's very inconvenient. And also, if you keep connecting stuff like that, you know, if you connect the USB drive to the USB port on your computer, that wears out the connectors on the USB on your USB drive. And also, like, if you keep connecting your the USB-C cable to your phone, that does wear out the port on your phone. So that's a plus. And also, not having the inconvenience of just keep plugging it in to charge it is definitely worth it. So I would say this is a good product, in that I could just use wireless charging to charge my device, and I could use the device while it's on that little stand as well. So that's another good thing about it. You know, I could call somebody and use speakerphone and talk to people while the phone is charging, which I think is a great thing. So anyways, thanks for watching. By Ace 1000KS 1975, signing out.